Oscar Sierra and you are watching Oscar. Welcome back of Learning Morse Code Part 3. Today we are going to learn the Morse Code of these symbols, and with this we are officially going to cover our Morse Code syllabus. But start preparing yourself because soon Team Oscar is going to start Morse Decode program. So let's get started. Full stop. D-da, D-da, D-da. Comma. Da-da, D-D, da-da. Question mark. D-D, da-da, D-dit. Exclamation. Da-di, da-di, da-da. Colon. Da-da, da, D-D, dit. Double quotation. D-da, D-D, da, dit. Equals to da, d, da, slash, da, d, da, dit, at the rate, d, da, dit. Parenthesis left, da, da, dit. Parenthesis right, da, da. Ampersand, d, da, dit. Semicolon, da, dit. Plus, d, da, dit. Minus, da, da. Underscore, d, da, da. This was all about today's video. I will see you in another video. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy, wear a mask, use sanitizer.